Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you the ways to use Discord on your phone. If you wanna go ahead and use Discord on your mobile, then you need to start by creating your account. So first thing, head over to your Play Store and go ahead and type in Discord and install the application. Since I happen to install it already, now click the open button and wait for the application to be installed. Next thing you want to do is register, so click the register button at the bottom of the page. Now here you'll be given two options, that is either you could register with a phone number or an email address. So if you're using a phone number, make sure to type in the country's code and then select the country of your reason, give a phone number and then click the next button. As soon as you've done it, so you'll be asked to confirm whether you're human or a bot. So you need to go ahead and fill out this CAPTCHA. So it's gonna take a while, so I'm just gonna do it real quick. So once done, click the verify button at the bottom of the page. Now it's gonna ask you to enter in the confirmation code, which is gonna be sent to you through your SMS. Here, go ahead and create a display name and click the next button. As you've actually done it, so now type in the password or create one and click the next button. Go ahead and give a date of birth or enter in your date of birth. As soon as you've done it, so you've successfully created your Discord account on your mobile. Next thing is that you have to go ahead and set your profile and all that. So this is basically how it's gonna look like. Now let's say if you want to go ahead and create a server. So if you want to go ahead and create a server, you just need to press the try bar icon, press the plus button. You could create your own or you could go ahead and start from a template, gaming, school, club, whatever. If you want to go with the gaming, just go ahead and select it and give a name to it and click the server button or create a server button. As soon as you've done it, so you've successfully created your server. And likewise, that you're new to Discord, if you want to go ahead and send a friend or invite friends, you could go to users tab or you could just go to your profile at the bottom of the page and then you could go ahead and invite friends or contact to your Discord account. So with this, you'll have successfully used your Discord account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.